So then this was the question, again a pretty simple straightforward one. Due to the persistence of this primitive neonatal reflex, a child will have difficulty achieving which of the following developmental milestones. So I believe this was an image based question, and in this image what you can see is ATNR. ATNR is asymmetric tonic neck reflex. What happens in asymmetric tonic neck reflex? So when baby's head is turned to one side, that side upper limb and lower limb extend, and the opposite side lower limb and upper limb flex. Yes. So this whenever this ATNR reflex is going to disappear, the baby is going to learn roll over from prone to supine, supine to prone, right? Neck holding will not have relation to this ATNR reflex. Again, sitting with support, sitting without support again would develop eventually, but most directly related milestone to asymmetric tonic neck reflex is rolling over from prone to supine and supine to prone. Once this ATNR reflex, so this ATNR reflex usually appears around 35 weeks of gestation and disappears around 5 to 6 months. Okay, some sources say 3 to 5 months. So 3 to 5 months, once the ATNR reflex disappears, the baby will learn to roll over at 5 months. Okay. So one option was bidextrous grasp, someone is telling. Okay. Sarthak, so bidextrous grasp was also an option. Even if it was an option, it was not the correct answer. Okay. What else? So rolling over was not there, Sarthak is telling. So what else was the option? Was it turning from supine to prone or prone to supine? What was the option? Rolling air was not there. Doctor is telling yes, it was there. So can someone confirm what were the options? So one option was bidextrous grasp. Okay. Another option was crawling. Okay. What were the other options? Can someone help me with the other options? Rolling over was there, 100% Stark is telling. Yes, because so Ashwarya, very good to know that the questions all came from our notes, yes, and from our videos. So this time, thankfully, yes, pediatrics had been very, very easy and very, very, straightforward and predictable. And I can say 100% was from what we had studied, right? So, okay, rolling over was there, should have been there because rolling over is the milestone that comes when the ATNR reflex disappears. And what was the fourth option? So, one was bidextrous grasp, another was crawling, third was rolling over, and another was neck control, probably neck holding. So, these were probably the four options. Okay, sitting was probably not there in the options. Whatever be it, the correct answer is rolling over. Okay.